sampai di mana ada pohon kayu besar, ada jalan belok.
That thing? What's that? Down there?
Itu adalah pura yang ada di dekat Pura Pulaki, yang namanya pura ini adalah Pura Pabian, pemujaan terhadap Dewi Kuan Yin, dan begitu pula Nyi Roro Kidul. Tetapi orang Bali menyebut Nyi Manikin Subandar. Pabian untuk orang-orang yang berdagang di sini memohon untuk dia lancar, dan begitu pula bisa di sini memohon keselamatan di bidang kelautan. Jika kita bepergian ke luar negeri lewat laut, bisa kita memohon di sini untuk keselamatan. Untuk agama termasuk Hindu, Konghucu, dan begitu pula kepercayaan Jawa kuno. Di sini itu disebut dengan stupa pagoda untuk pemujaan agama Konghucu. Sedangkan di sana itu disebut dengan Padma Saneng untuk pemujaan untuk orang Hindu. Om Santi 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 Om.
And the cook here.
Tiga pura yang ada di daerah Pojok Batu. Dulu ini adalah mengenai perjalanan Dangya Nirarte, atau yang disebut dengan Begawan Sakti Bawurau, waktu datang dari Jawa menuju Bali. Ya, di tengah-tengah itu adalah peristanaan pada dewa. Ya.
Di mana?
Desa Las.
Here's my friend's house. I'm coming in closer and closer and closer, and Mei gets
ini dah.
and Tingo mengenap di sana. Ha ha ha. We are in the pasar, the market in Les, where I spent the night. Very good. Banyak makanan John Gati. Makan dulu.
Nyonya ada gede mau luwe. Oh, kita migrasi dah. Ya. Tampak.
Tell me about that. Ada ayam untuk apa?
Untuk diadu harus menang.
Menang apa?
Menang ikannya.
Ya?
Sampai di Seraya, di daerah Karangasem. Ini Mimi ada di penjara.
Di mana? And here we are at the water palace. Target's going to take his Bulan Madu, his honeymoon. Right here. Kaweri Charles Minsan ini buruk.
Om Gangge Cahaya Mani Sarva Kandawari Saraswati Narmade Singha Om Bhurva Swaha Tat Savitur Varuni Nardu Devasya Dimahu Yog.
Free? Why free? When did you last come?
Enjoy always.
Aha, that's the attitude. A good attitude for life. Think of it. Do you like it?
I am very relaxed. Yeah.
What's it like under the water there?
Many fish and very beautiful.
Bali boy is now the snorkeling boy. He's into it. Into it totally. Semangat. This is the snorkeling boy. He never tried it before. And now loves it. Found out there was a pretty neat world down there.
Please, I have a pain in my side.
This is what we've been doing, sitting here at our breakfast, working on language, either Bahasa Inggris or Bahasa Indonesia. English or Indonesian. Lots of boats around, local people.
Saya sekarang berada di Padang Bayi bersama Memi dan ini keluarga di dekat pelabuhan di Padang Bayi.
And Target out at Legion Beach, and Teal's going to try to surf.
Capek sekali.
Oh. And there's Target out there on his tube. Taking it easy there. We got real close to him, but we're far away.
Let's go. I want to see them, the girl.
Which girl you want to see? Those girls?
Yeah.
Here they are, Teal. I don't know. Check out her face here. What do you think?
Yes, nice.
Nice?
Saya ada di Uluwatu, Meme. Itu pura Uluwatu yang ada di ujung Pulau Bali, yang terletak di dekat Jimbaran.
This is Bali Boy with Hape. Here we have Bali Boy eating his nasi, his breakfast right here. I don't know why. Praying every bite. He's so glad to have his nasi.
Very delicious. Sahur.
So
Sambal. Tomat setelah pura Tanah Lot di daerah Tabanan.
Here's Target. Target's at the temple, but he's also checking out Chewek here.
Holy snack.
Ular Suchi?
Yeah, holy snack.
Benar?
Yeah, you can see over there under. Yeah.
Di
Di
mana?
bawah sana.
Benar?
Ya, ular suci berada di gua ini. Ini ada di toilet dekat pura Tanah Lot ini.
Yeah?
Ya.
You're right, I see that.
Kalau berak bayar 1.000.
Berak artinya apa?
Duduk
Ya,
dan
kan?
kencing
Ya?
1.000.
Are you serious?
Jadi kalau kencing dan berak 2.000.
Berapa untuk kentut?
Kalau kentut 500 saja.
Terima kasih. Really nice bungalow here. Just 2 rooms here. They don't have room for us tonight, so the people that take care of it have offered their house instead with Grandma and Grandpa. And here I am. I believe that Mei can zoom in on this ayam and this.
Young brother, yeah, Meg.
The ayam? The ayam is his young brother?
Yeah.
Aha, I'm going in. Here he is. Look, America, here he is. He is Chowak Bali. See you next time. Sampai nanti.
Sampai nanti, Meme. Cup. Cup.
Dadah. Hah? Makan, eat. Everybody wants me to eat. Sudah gemuk. Gede mau cewek siapa?
24.
Yeah.
24.
Yeah. 24 years old.
American girl.
Mengapa?
I like American girl. Girl is very beautiful.
Ah, yang jelek.